People, so this is my eighth video of the day, and later in life I will probably look back and think that just what was I doing shooting these videos with like pink walls in the background and like one sad looking door. But the thing is, it's just occurred to me that no matter what I shoot and what I upload will kind of remain, yeah, for posterity, and as long as it remains it will get views. So makes one think, so that's what one needn't even upload these very top class videos. Of course they are important thing is to just keep uploading, because no matter what you will start getting views, and if you get enough number of views, then you'll start getting a check. No, and like I said, people, I want to adopt a little girl and all that, but until I'm very strong financially, I'll not jeopardize the life of another little child with me. So yeah, that's why I need to keep uploading videos like this, and you people please keep watching and keep, you know, sharing, subscribing or whatever, and then life will be cool. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.